Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch app icon badges from number to dots for a cleaner look. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down, present notifications. You can scroll down. Here you can see the option of app icon badges. Click on this. Now, if you want to switch app icon badges from number to dots for a cleaner look, you just have to press here the dot option. That's it. So this is how to switch app icon badges from number to dot for a cleaner look. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.